In this video, I'll show you how to upload audio on Suno AI in 2026. Start by signing in to your Suno AI account and opening the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the music creation area where you can generate and edit songs. Next, look for the Create button and open the music creation page. Depending on the current version of Suno, you'll see different creation options. Select the option that allows you to work with audio uploads, audio extensions, remixes, or audio-based generation. After that, click the Upload Audio button. If you don't immediately see it, check the available creation tools or advanced options on the creation page. Suno will open a file browser on your computer. Now locate the audio file you want to upload. Select your file and click Open. Suno will begin uploading the audio to your account. The upload time will depend on the file size and your internet connection speed. Once the upload is complete, wait for Suno to process the audio. During processing, the platform may analyze the file so it can be used for extensions, remixes, or additional AI-generated content. Next, review the uploaded audio and confirm that it was imported successfully. If Suno provides editing options, you can adjust settings, add prompts, modify song descriptions, or choose how the AI should continue or transform the uploaded audio. After that, enter any additional instructions you want Suno to follow. For example, you can describe a genre, mood, style, instruments, or lyrics that you want incorporated into the final result. Now, click Generate, Create, Continue Song, or the equivalent button available in the current version of Suno. The platform will use your uploaded audio together with your instructions to produce new content. Once the generation is finished, listen to the results and decide whether you want to keep the output, make adjustments, or generate another variation. If needed, you can refine your prompt and create additional versions. Finally, save or download the finished track if you're satisfied with the result. You can also organize your projects within your Suno account for easy access later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload audio on Suno AI in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.